I am Christina again, from AceVacuums. Did you know that Miele vacuums are celebrated for their impeccable German engineering? Their build quality ensures durability and precision, making them a top choice for households seeking reliable cleaning solutions. Miele vacuums are known for their high performance, quiet operation, and long-lasting quality. Here's why they stand out from the competition. Heavy checkmark German engineering and build quality, built for durability and precision. Heavy checkmark unmatched suction power, efficiently removes dirt, dust, and pet hair. Heavy checkmark HEPA filtration for allergy sufferers, captures 99.97% of allergens and fine dust. Heavy checkmark multiple floor attachments, works on hardwood, tile, carpets, and rugs. Heavy checkmark whisper quiet operation, low noise levels compared to other brands. Heavy checkmark energy efficient and eco-friendly, powerful cleaning with minimal power consumption. Heavy checkmark bagged and bagless options, choose between hygienic bagged vacuums or the convenience of bagless models. Why buy Miele vacuums from AceVacuums? We are your go-to authorized Miele dealer in Virginia, Maryland, and DC. Our expert staff is dedicated to helping you find the perfect Miele model, tailored to your home's needs. Enjoy exclusive in-store discounts and promotions on Miele vacuums. Our commitment to customer satisfaction ensures you receive the best value and service. Discover the Miele canister vacuums, Miele Classic C1 Home Care Powerline, Miele Complete C3 Home Care Powerline, Miele Complete C3 Home Care E Plus Vacuum, Miele Complete C3 Home Care Plus Powerline, Miele Classic C1 Pure Suction, Miele Complete C3 Marin, Miele Triflex Cordless Vacuum, versatile and powerful, designed for deep carpet cleaning with its powerful motor. It's perfect for tackling heavy-duty carpeting with ease. Miele Vacuum Accessories, enhance your cleaning experience. Miele offers a range of high-quality vacuum accessories designed to maximize cleaning performance and convenience. Whether you need specialized floor heads, filters, or dust bags, Miele accessories ensure your vacuum operates at peak efficiency. Cyclo Miele floor heads and brushes. Heavy checkmark SEB 236 Electro Premium Brush. Heavy checkmark SBB 300-3 Parquet Twister. Heavy checkmark STB 101 Mini Turbo Brush. Benefit from Miele certified service and repairs, ensuring your vacuum's long-lasting performance. Our extended warranty options provide peace of mind for years to come. Upgrade to a new Miele vacuum with our trade-in program. Get value for your old vacuum and experience the superior cleaning power of Miele. Visit AceVacuums today.